Welcome back to my channel Computer Science for All. In our last video, we discussed about creating assessments in Google Forms. So today, let's see how we can add collaborators in Google Forms. So let me open any Google form from one of my account. So let's say I have this account. Okay, so let me switch the account so that we can see how to add the collaborators. So let's say we have created any RSVP invite. So here is my invite. So now I want my family members also to see the responses of this particular invite. So what I can do, I can add a collaborator from any of my family members so that they are also able to see the responses that I receive. So for example, this is a general form. So to add collaborator, what you can do is you will go to the three dots present here, the more option, and click on the button add collaborators. When you click on the button, you will see a window like this. Right now you can see my email ID, and if I want to add editors to this particular form, I can write my another email ID here, and I will now again it is saying notify people. That means this particular email ID will get a notification that it has received the editorship for this particular form. So now I will click on the send button, and let's see what I have received on my mail. I have not received any notification yet. Okay, I am waiting for the notification to come. Right? Okay, so here is the notification, right? So now see, I have got a notification that invitation to edit. That means now I can edit this form. So I'll open this form. Now see, I can also do any changes in the form. I can see the responses and all the features. That means it is like sharing a file like we do in Google Sheets or Google Docs. Similarly, we can share our form with any other people by using the collaboration feature. We can also add multiple collaborators, like if I have some or other ID as well. Okay, so let me write one of my other email ID also here. Right, so I have written and again send. So if I now again I open my other ID, this one. See, even I have received a mail here also. So now there are three people who can see all the responses that are there. So this feature is helpful also for the teachers. For example, one teacher has created an assessment for particular class, and there are three teachers who are teaching that particular class. So they can divide the forms among themselves, and they can divide the number of students that they will be checking. So that was it about Google Forms. If you have any queries, then you can put in the comment box. Thank you so much.